Hi, welcome to the Shelley Studio, and today I am trying to catch up on my mission inspiration prompts from my little triangle journal. This one is July, and the theme is carnival or circus. Then it says feathers, sequins, music and dance, or lions, clowns, or acrobats. So that is kind of the theme, and there are 5 different ingredients, and one of them was music. So I am taking some old sheet music. The paper is super brittle, so all I have to do is like fold it in half and it kind of cracks. So I'm going to take that and glue it down. I'm sorry, I already started coloring, painting the page before I turned on the camera, I guess. But the 3 colors, you can use 1, 2, or all 3. I think I use all of them. The colors are lemon, poppy, and cobalt. So basically yellow, red, and blue. So I did a yellow halfway down for the background. Then I decided to add the sheet music, which normally I would collage that on first and then do a layer of color over. But I'm doing it kind of backwards this time. I'm a little out of practice in my mission inspiration journal. And this one, well, circus isn't my favorite theme. So I think it was kind of hard to get creative with this one. I'm just trying to get those papers into the crease. And then I decide I need some of that color, so I'm just re-wetting. It's still kind of wet because it's acrylic paint, so it's not like watercolor. I'm not reconstituting. It was just a little bit wet still. So there, we added a little bit of yellow color. And then it looks like I'm pulling out the blue paint. I think I put that on the bottom. And we're going to have blue ground. The other prompts while I'm doing that are numbers, triangles, something white, and stamp. So I think this kind of hits 2 birds with 1 stone. I think I put the stamp numbers on there. I think I use a stamp later as well. So I just decided I'm just going to do a stack of numbers and stamp them on one side of the page. Pretending those are, that O is a 0. They look the same. I don't think they're any different. Okay, I wish this would have gone on a little bit darker. It was a little too faint for me. I think, if I remember correctly, I should go pull out the book and look at it. Yeah. I mean, it's okay. I would have liked it real bold, I try stamping over, but it doesn't get perfect. Alright. So I think this is my triangle. I decided to do a circus tent and use the red for the tent. also have, I already painted stripes on this one. See, it's been a little while since I filmed this one, so I don't quite remember why I don't have footage for some of it. But this will also go for my something white, I think, is the deal, because, yeah, it's got white on it. Trying to not have the opening of the little circus tent on the fold. There we go. Put a little bit of glue behind there to hold that down. I decided it needed a little bit of lining to really help things show up on there. I don't know, I just like to outline things, I think. So how's everybody's day going? I hope everybody's well. Or their week. It's Wednesday morning where I am. It will be when this is uploaded, hopefully. So I googled a quote for Circus. Grabbing my little journal so I can read it to you. And it says, "Girl, when all else fails, join the circus." And since it said "girl" in the quote, like I'd left it off, and then I decided, we needed something else on this page, so I added the girl back into the quote, and then we're going to do one of, I think it's Dina Wakley's Scribble Girl stamps. Just add that to the page. I do go around a little bit with my Jelly Roll pen just to fix some of the areas that have a little bit of dark behind them so you can see the lettering. And I'm actually going to stamp this onto a separate piece of white, and I believe it's cardstock. I think it's a little stiffer than copy paper. I'm going to cut her out. I'm just going to give her a little bit of color. Trying to thin it out a little bit. Trying to come up with a skin color. Just mixing some brown and some yellow. And that doesn't look very good. I think I pull out, instead of using my watercolors, I think I pull out some regular acrylic paint to fix her face. I don't think it lightens up on its own. I'm not sure if you see me fix her face. I can't remember. But it gets better. Promise. Oh, here we go. Yeah, I pulled out some white. I think that's actually white gouache. There we go. Much better. And I'm just going to add scribbles back in around her head and shoulders. And that's basically it. I add the word girl up there. But like I said, Circus isn't my most favorite theme, so I had a hard time creating this one. I hope you liked it. If you did, leave me a thumbs up, and thank you all for watching.